How to avoid quick anger. How to avoid quick anger. Okay, so what we need to realize is that we are creatures of habit. Okay, so when it comes to anger, there are probably certain triggers that will trigger your habit. So if you get angry quickly a lot, what that means is it's probably a habit. So what I would do is I would sit down and I would draw it out on a map. Okay, draw it out on a piece of paper and make it like a map. Make it like, okay, what's the end of the map? The end of the map is I regret. Okay, that's probably the end of anger, right? I regret or I repent. And then before that, I'm angry, right? Because after people are angry, they usually regret it or they repent or something like that, or they get more angry, right? So what happens before I'm angry? Before I'm angry, I feel like I'm being disrespected. Okay, great. I feel like I'm disrespected. That's what comes before being angry. Okay, why do I feel disrespected? Oh, because of this thing. So of the most likely things to trigger you, what is the thing that triggers you most about getting angry? Okay. And if there's 2, 3, 4 triggers, then I would say look at those triggers and 1, try and avoid those triggers. 2, try to make those triggers like easier. So for example, let's say one thing that annoys me is people coming in while I'm on the live stream. Okay. So what I can do is I can sit here when no one's around and practice that people are coming in during the live stream. And first I'll be like angry, like really imagine that they're coming in, right? And then after that, I could be like, okay, they're coming in, like it's not that big a deal, like no one can see them, this is a house, they live in it as well, and start talking to myself and try and get myself to the point where those triggers that are making me angry, I really attack them. The other thing is that, you know, like the Prophet said, when you feel angry, you know, if you're standing, sit down. If you're sitting down, lay down. Seek refuge in Allah from shaitan. Say, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Do wudu. All these kind of things, like really work on them. And then if there's an underlying thing, sometimes there's resentment of someone, like you really feel someone did something bad to you, you never said it, so you just be angry with them all the time. It's good to express. It's good to get it out and let them know the emotions you're feeling and why you're feeling like that. So I hope those help you, inshallah. May Allah make it easy for you and for all of us to stay away from anger.